Over time, hard water and detergent types can cause unsightly mineral buildup that affects the appearance of your dishwasher and dishes. Affresh Dishwasher Cleaner is designed to clean inside all models and even works while your detergent cleans your dishes. If cleaning without dishes, simply place one tablet in the detergent tray. For significant buildup, a second tablet can be added to the bottom of the dishwasher. If cleaning with dishes, place one tablet in the bottom of the dishwasher. Then, run a normal wash cycle, both with or without dishes. And use monthly to help keep your machine looking like new.